Ever feel like there's too much month at the end of your money? It's a feeling that can creep up on you, often when you least expect it. The bills pile up, the expenses keep coming, and suddenly you're left wondering where all your hard-earned money went. This financial stress can feel like a burden, a heavy load that weighs you down and keeps you up at night. This situation is particularly common for those in the middle of their life journey, those who are juggling the responsibilities of work, family, and personal growth. Maybe you're trying to save for your children's education, or perhaps you're attempting to pay off a hefty mortgage. Whatever the case may be, the pressure of financial stress can sometimes seem overwhelming. But what if I told you that there's a way to lighten that load, to lessen that burden? What if there was a method to supplement your income without having to clock in more hours at the office, without sacrificing the quality time with your loved ones, without giving up your personal hobbies and passions? Yes, the digital age has made it possible for individuals to earn money from the comfort of their homes. The internet is a vast sea of opportunities, brimming with potential income streams that you can tap into. From online businesses to freelance work, from blogging to affiliate marketing, the online world is full of potential sources. Today, we're going to explore just that, practical and achievable strategies to supplement income online. We'll delve deep into the world of online money-making, shedding light on the most effective methods and debunking common myths. We'll guide you on how to capitalize on these opportunities, helping you navigate the fast-paced digital landscape, and hopefully easing the financial stress you may be experiencing. Together, we'll discover ways to make your money last longer. Firstly, think about what skills or knowledge you have that others may be willing to pay for. In today's increasingly digital world, there are numerous ways to monetize your abilities from the comfort of your own home, allowing you to create a side income or even a full-time job. Consider your strengths. Are you particularly good at math, for example? Many students around the world struggle with this subject and are constantly seeking help. Your in-depth understanding and ability to explain complex concepts in a simple manner could be a lifesaver for them. From basic arithmetic to high school algebra or college-level calculus, there are countless individuals out there in need of a guiding hand. You could offer online tutoring and make a real difference in their academic journey. Maybe mathematics isn't your field, but you knack for writing instead. Remember, writing isn't just about knowing the grammar or having a wide vocabulary. It's about communicating ideas in a compelling way, creating a narrative that's engaging and relatable. If you have this skill, consider becoming a freelance writer. You could write articles, blog posts, product descriptions, or even entire books. Your words could influence, entertain, or inform, and in return, you could earn a living out of it. Remember, there are numerous platforms out there that can help you get started. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr, for instance, are great platforms to start offering your services. These sites connect freelancers with clients, helping you to kickstart your career in the gig economy. So take a moment to consider your skills and see how you can share them with the world. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr are great platforms to start offering your services. Secondly, consider selling products online. This could be an exciting venture that opens up a whole new world of possibilities. The beauty of selling online is the vast marketplace that it provides. You could be situated in any corner of the globe and still be able to reach out to buyers thousands of miles away. It's a modern that helps you break geographical boundaries and tap into global markets. The types of products you can sell online are virtually limitless. This could be anything from handmade crafts to vintage items. Handmade crafts have a unique charm of their own. They are one-of-a-kind pieces that carry a certain warmth and personal touch that factory-made products often lack. On the other hand, vintage items carry a nostalgic value that is rare and sought after, pieces of history that people are willing to pay a significant price for. Now, the question is where to sell these items. Well, there are numerous online platforms available. Websites like Etsy and eBay make it easy to set up your own online store. Etsy is a marketplace for creative goods, while eBay allows for a wider range of products to be sold. These platforms have user-friendly interfaces and provide various tools to help you manage your online store efficiently. Plus, they also offer secure payment options and buyer protection policies, a smooth and safe transaction process. Setting up your online store on these platforms is relatively straightforward. However, There are certain elements that can enhance your store's appeal. A well-crafted store design, clear product categories, and customer-friendly policies can make a huge difference. Remember, a good photo and an honest description can go a long way in attracting buyers. A high-quality photo highlights the product's features, and an honest description creates trust between you and the potential buyers. The online selling journey may seem challenging initially, but with perseverance and dedication, it can reap fruitful results. Thirdly, if you're a bit of a tech whiz, developing and selling your own app could be an exceedingly lucrative way to supplement your income. This idea is not just for the seasoned software developer, but also for the tech enthusiast who is excited about translating concepts into functional tools. Apps, as we all know, can be a myriad of things. They can be anything from games to productivity tools, from social media platforms to health trackers. In this digital age, the scope of what an app can be is as vast as your creativity. Imagine creating a delightful game that entertains millions around the globe, or a unique productivity tool that helps businesses save time and increase efficiency. The opportunities are endless. The beauty of app development is that it can be done from anywhere. All you require is a computer and a good idea. You could be sitting in a cafe in Paris, sipping your coffee while coding your app, or you could be on a train journey through the heart of drawing inspiration from the vibrant scenery for your next big project. Moreover, the road to developing your own app can be a thrilling journey of learning and growth. You'll dive into diverse programming languages, wrestle with intriguing algorithms, and be introduced to the world of graphics and UX designs. This journey will certainly challenge you, but also reward you with new skills and knowledge. As you embark this journey, remember that there are several online resources available to guide you through the app development process. Websites like Codecademy and Udacity provide extensive courses that can equip you with the necessary skills, from learning how to code to understanding the business aspect of app development. In conclusion, app development is not just about the final product, but also about the journey of creation. Yes, the monetary rewards can be significant. However, the opportunity to learn, grow, and contribute to this ever-evolving digital world is the real treasure. There are many online resources that can guide you through the app development process. Fourthly, consider starting a blog or a YouTube channel about a topic you're passionate about. Engaging with your passion and sharing it with others could be the breath of fresh air your life needs. It could be anything that resonates with you, from cooking, photography, fashion, travel, tech, fitness, art, music, or even something niche like origami or stamp collecting. Whatever your passion, there is a community out there waiting for your unique perspective. Delving into this pursuit not only allows you to explore and expand your passion, but also to connect and communicate with like-minded individuals globally. You'll be surprised how many people share and appreciate your enthusiasm. Creating a blog or a YouTube channel can seem daunting at first, but there's no need to worry. You don't need fancy equipment or a state-of-the-art studio to start. You only need your passion and a device to record and share it. The beauty of these platforms is their simplicity and accessibility. You can create content at your own pace, from your own space, in your own unique style. At first, your primary focus should be on creating quality content that reflects your passion and identity. Strive to be authentic and consistent. Remember, your followers are people just like you, searching for content that inspires, educates, entertains, or simply resonates with them. They will appreciate your genuine approach and dedication to your passion. Once you've built a following, your journey doesn't end there. With a dedicated community behind you, you'll have the opportunity to monetize your platform. This doesn't just mean making money for yourself, it means developing a sustainable model to fuel your passion. Through advertising revenue and sponsored content, you can earn while doing what you love, giving you the freedom to continue exploring and sharing your passion. Once you've built a following, you can start to monetize your platform through advertising revenue and sponsored content. Lastly, consider investing in stocks or cryptocurrency. This undoubtedly is a territory that demands a certain level of financial acumen. It's not something to be taken lightly, nor viewed as an avenue for fast and easy cash. It demands a deliberate, well-conceived approach. There's risk involved, absolutely, and it's good to remember that the financial world can be unpredictable. At times, it can be as tumultuous as the rolling sea. The fluctuations in stock prices and the volatile nature of the crypto market can make some people apprehensive about venturing into this kind of investment. But remember, every investment carries risk. Even the safest of options cannot guarantee an absolute risk-free return. It's all about balance, about weighing potential gain against potential loss. Making an investment is not about cashing in on a quick return. It's about understanding the market, reading the trends, knowing when to make your move. It's about long-term thinking, about patience and resilience. It's about making informed decisions based on rigorous research and deep analysis. You have to be prepared to weather potential losses and to handle sudden market shifts. Investing in stocks or cryptocurrency can be a great way to supplement your income, but it should not be viewed as a stable, regular income source. It can be, if done wisely, a profitable venture that can significantly boost your financial stability and open up new avenues for wealth accumulation. Consider this venture as an opportunity to learn, to grow financially, and to expand your horizons when it comes to financial planning. It's a journey that can provide you with invaluable insights into the workings of the global economy, and that can help you make more informed financial decisions in the future. So venture into this field with your eyes wide open and with a careful, measured approach. Always remember, an informed investor is a successful investor. Lastly, it can be a great way to supplement your income if done wisely. To summarize, there are many ways to supplement your income online. The internet is not just a source of information or a platform for communication, but a vast marketplace that holds numerous opportunities for anyone who knows where to look. You can sell your skills or products, offering services or goods that people need or want. This can range from web development, content creation, tutoring, to selling handcrafted jewelry, vintage clothes, or even homemade baked goods. Alternatively, you could develop an app. With the right idea and execution, an app can generate a substantial income. Or perhaps blogging or starting a YouTube channel is more your speed. By creating engaging content and building an audience, you can earn through advertising revenue and sponsorships. Investing in stocks or cryptocurrency is another avenue you could explore. While this method requires a bit of financial knowledge and risk tolerance, the potential returns can be quite significant. But regardless of what you choose, remember that the key to success in any of these ventures is patience and persistence. It may take time to see results, but with dedication, skill, and a bit of savvy, you can turn your financial stress into financial success. Why not give it a try? You may find that supplementing your income online is not just achievable, but also a lot of fun. You can learn new skills, meet new people, and potentially transform your financial situation in the process. After all, they say that the best way to predict the future is to create it. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep growing. The world is not just a playground, but also a classroom, and the lessons you learn could prove invaluable. Remember, the world is your oyster, and the pearl is yours for the taking. As we wrap up, we'd like to remind you that if you enjoyed this video and found value in it, we would greatly appreciate it if you could click on the thumbs up icon. This simple action helps us reach more people like you by signaling to the YouTube algorithm that this content is valuable and should be shown to more viewers. And if you want to make sure you don't miss out on our future videos that will help you navigate the online marketplace and other avenues to supplement your income, don't forget to press the subscribe button and notification bell. This ensures that you'll be notified every time we release a new video. We're here to support your journey to financial success, and we're excited to share more insights, tips, and strategies with you. So stick around, and together let's turn your financial stress into financial success. Your support means the world to us and helps us continue to deliver the content you love. Remember, the world is your oyster, and with the right knowledge and tools, the pearl is yours for the taking. So let's embark on this journey together. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep growing.